place, it's not going to it's not going to the right place. But usually what I do at night, let's go with stuff. I give it to my staff.